Hello, welcome back to another video of object-oriented programming series. Now in this particular video we will talk about encapsulation. First we try to understand what is encapsulation. Okay, so the encapsulation is one of the basic concept of object-oriented programming language. So if we'll compare it with a real life, so in real life example we can compare it with a capsule. In general, a capsule is a small case or container, especially round or in the cylindrical shape, in which it protects the drug inside it from getting contaminated with the dust particle from the outside. So if we look at this particular scenario or the picture, then it will be more clear for you. You can see that this one is the capsule, and inside this capsule we can store various types of data and the methods. Okay, so when we will store the data and the methods, then we can call it as a capsule, or we can compare it as a capsule. Why it is required? Because we want to avoid misuse. Okay, so a capsule can bring in related data and the methods together inside a class to avoid misuse outside. So we are actually wrapping up of data members and member methods together into a single unit is called actually encapsulation. It means that the data can be accessed in the associated function only and safe from outside interference and misuse, thus leading to important concept in the concept of object-oriented programming, also known as the data hiding. So using the encapsulation we can hide the data inside a class, and inside a class it can contain methods and variables. So here data means variables and methods mean the functionality that is present inside this particular class. Okay, now I hope now you understood that what is encapsulation. Now we'll try to understand that how you can compare it with coding, so that it will be more clear for you that how encapsulation actually works. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.